Broth has spread throughout the entire world, and it has always been considered a medicinal tool. So throw your herbs in there, throw your spices in there, chicken soup when you're sick. Broth extracts amino acids, collagen, vitamins, minerals, all the good stuff out of the meat, the vegetables, anything that's in that pot. What you get is a nutrient-dense, soothing, very simple to digest beverage. So this is like the savory green juice. This is like all of your vitamins and minerals in a cup. This is something that your body has to do almost no work to digest, but it is just blessed with all these fabulous nutrients that it can absorb really immediately. So it's really nourishing, and it is always part of a gut healing protocol. And a gut healing protocol can be great for your immune system, it can be great for your probiotic balance, it can be great for weight, and on and on and on. It's a really great way to just let your body do a little bit of work and get a lot of good.